Now, you're a strong proponent of branding your stores. They've all
I
got
am.
the splash them out names,
Yes.
the same look, the same equipment, the same colors, all of that. Why is that so important to you?
Well, it's kind of like if you drive by a Texas Roadhouse, you're looking for another Texas Roadhouse. If you drive by a Walmart, you know Walmart. You go by. I mean, just anybody. Like, say, for example, so if it's branded, it's very important to me because when they are in our laundromat, for example, they want to find another Splash Them Out. Now, if I had a laundromat and it was called Wash Place, and then we have Splash Them Out over here, then Commonwealth laundromat over here, right? So they don't know we own those. So when they're going to do their clothes, they're going to just drive by a Commonwealth laundromat. They're going to drive by the other one, and they're going to look for the Splash Them Out. So I believe if you're branded and you're doing a good job, then they're going to look for your store because all of our stores look identical inside. Color scheme, floors, washers, dryers, ease of use, attendant, clean, safe environment. So when they find a Splash Them Out, and that's why I think branding is very important.
Sure. It's key that you do a good job, though, because if you have one that isn't, then it certainly carries over to the whole brand, doesn't it?
If I had a zombie mat, I think I would name them all different names. Of course.
Right.